Well, I guess this one's for you, Joseph. I'm sitting here troubleshooting an iPhone 11. I've just got everything fixed. It's no longer rebooting anymore. Everything's just happy, but the ambient light sensor don't work and it don't have a working proximity sensor, right? So here's what I'm finding. This is not an ambient light sensor at all. It is something that has been fabricated and painted to look like an ambient light sensor. It's completely fake. That is not an ambient light sensor. The other stuff on this flex cable looks like complete total garbage. They sort of soldered it on here, and this was made to look okay and maybe have a functioning microphone, like maybe. So no working proximity sensor. Why would that be? Well, first of all, it's folded wrong. It's folded over the freaking proximity sensor. That might cause a problem. And the proximity sensor, it does look to be real, but again, look how this thing is lined up on its pads. Like, I don't know, maybe it's sort of lined up. It just has some ball squeezage there just because it's been pushed down on there. But this is absolute, complete total garbage. This was never meant to work. And I'm not kidding. Like this ambient light sensor, that is not an ambient light sensor. And the only reason it is white right here is because somebody painted it that way. Like it's completely fake. Here is a genuine ambient light sensor. You can see it looks similar, but it is quite different. The white on top, it's not paint or whiteout. It is actually a lens because we need light to pass through it. And unlike the other one, instead of just being kind of glued on, this one is soldered on. The infrared emitter on this one, it is actually missing the little lens that goes over it. That probably stuck to the screen assembly that I pulled it off of. Isn't this just lovely? This is the kind of stuff we get into. I have no idea where this guy bought this screen, but so much of this glue had spilled out and was visible in the camera lens. There's just... how in the world could I send it back out the door like this? And if I so much as touch the paint that's on this screen with these tweezers, it will put a mark on it that's also visible from the outside, and I just wouldn't be able to live with myself. My goodness, these people were slobs with the adhesive. I've been sitting here for the last 16 hours trying to make sure that this adhesive is not visible through the camera lens without scratching the paint, which would also be visible on the front. A freaking mess. Almost there. All right, I'm gonna stop right there.